I'm very excited today to show you how to use our new feature that we call multi-select. You just hold down the Shift key and then you can select multiple cards. Hold down the Shift key again and we can drag these cards as a group. This is really handy in the freeform board where you might have a map that you put together and you need to make space because you miscalculated how many ideas you would have. It happens to everyone. One thing you might want to do too is use the zoom to make more room on your freeform board. You can see how I can make all that room. Hit escape to take me out of multi-select mode and then zoom back in. Now you see I have an infinitely large scrolling area where I can see all my other cards, and I have plenty of space here to add new ideas. The other thing that you can do with multi-select is you can select multiple cards and then color them all the same color or put the same icon on all of them. And then in addition to that, you could potentially copy these cards to another board or move them to another board. You can also delete multiple selected cards as well. It can be really great to do brainstorming when you have a large group, to have people do brainstorming sessions either individually or in smaller groups. And this is a great way to get cards from multiple boards into a single board, is to have people do those individual brainstormings and then copy those to another board. You can pick the board, copy the selected cards, and then it even gives you a way to go to the other board immediately so that you can find your cards in the hidden cards drawer of that other board. That's all I have for today. Remember, hold the Shift key, click, and then to get out of multi-select mode, hit Escape.